that's the same case with the Twitter trends as well. Now let me go to the next awesome feature, which is a market first, which is a social calendar feature and technology. So what this does, if I click on it right now, it gives you the ability to actually schedule and publish content for the entire year, where we've created videos to go in all the way through the entire year. So that's 365 videos that are already done, and these are specific to those days as well. You know, some of these are related to some festivals or some dates of importance, like the Chinese New Year or the Martin Luther King Day or whatever, and it allows you to publish these videos that are catered to those days. And it could be a Valentine's Day, for example, if you head into February here, or World Cancer Day. What this does is it allows you to be able to publish content in clients' accounts or your own account and so on, to keep having a steady flow of content. You know, frequency and consistency are the